real way to claim premium airdrops that are worth over thousands of dollars. Let's jump right into the website so that we will not waste your time today. Now, the name of the website is called airdropalerts.com. Airdrop alert. I will leave the website below the description. So you click from there. Now, when you open this website, airdropalerts.com, we will find out there are a lot of airdrops that are worth over thousands of dollars that are being given to individuals daily. If you're able to complete the task, what they ask you to do, which is very, very simple, you can do it. So for that, you claim your airdrop into your wallet. Now, let's look at this BTC exchange. Now, BTC exchange is an airdrop that just came up recently. It's an exchange airdrop. Now, look at it. BTC exchange airdrop is worth over 10,000 free BTC exchange token, worth over $1,000 for each new member that register. Now, if you read through the page, you will find out that they are giving $1,000 to every person that register or join the program. Now look at it. Token per airdrop 10,000 BTC exchange referral. If you don't want to refer, it's less for you. Now look at the requirement here. The requirements. These are the requirements. Now let's look at it step by step guide. Register for BTC exchange airdrop by creating an account. Complete user information. There is no need for KYC processing. Go to the BTC6 wallet section on the website. After this, you will see that you have been given 10,000 BTC token through the referral code program of this user receive. Now, what this means is that when you register, you'll be given a token of $1,000 BTCX token. Now, the requirement is just very simple. You need to just register. Then you complete it for you. There's no need for verification process. Then you go to your wallet section on the website. After that, you will see your given. Now, it's very, very simple. You need to just click here. You click here. You have to just click here. Then you click. It will take you to the website. After that, you register. So look at my wallet. We look at one that I already registered. Today, you will find out that I have 10,000 BTC, which is worth over $1,000. $1,000. It's over $1,000. All I have to do just to keep to where the airdrop distribution is over. The added liquidity to make it more livable, that you can able to withdraw your airdrop. Now let's go back to the website. When you go to the website, you find out that they are still under airdrops that you can claim. We also have OSIS network, eShape. Then we also have a BNB money. This one is giving away $50 for joining. Now look at it. BNB money network airdrop is worth over $1,000. BNB token $50 for joining, and 500 BNB token for every referral. It is leading investment multi-currency and multi-functional online platform based on blockchain. Now, what are the requirements? Now, the requirement just for you to visit the BNB money airdrop page, join the Telegram, follow them on Twitter, use MetaMask to claim on PC, or browse this page to your Trust Wallet, down all small gas fees. There we apply BNB. If you refer your friends to earn, that's awesome. Then you claim your airdrop to your wallet. Most they are premium, or they are non. They are premium airdrops. So there's so many of them that you can see. You can claim out whatever you want to do. So this is another one which is called Sterling Finance airdrop. Now all you need to do is just to scroll down and do the needful and claim every step. This is an airdrop that bought over thousands of dollars. Please ensure you do this. I know you get value from this video. Please, if you get value from it, please ensure to subscribe and like the video and turn on the notification whenever or next time I drop a video. You will be the first to watch and do it fast before others come. Thank you for watching my video. God bless you and stay tuned.